7-year-olds shouldn't be crying over Justin Bieber, sweetie.
Oh, baby. Why do you love Justin Bieber? Because he loves you.
What's your favorite song that he sings to you?
Baby. Can you sing it?
Sing it for us.
Sing it for Justin Bieber. Look. Look at the camera. And sing it for Justin Bieber. Sing it louder. Louder.
Baby,
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 oh, like baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 oh, that you'd always be mine.
You are adorable.
Oh, you little baby crying over Justin Bieber, you're so cute.
What am I gonna do with you, Isabella?
Look and say hi to Justin Bieber on the camera. Say hi to Justin Bieber. Say hi, Justin Bieber, I love you. Gotta say it louder.
Love you.
So, do you want to see him? Yeah.
Where do you want to see Justin Bieber? Here.
Here.
How long do you want to see Justin Bieber? I don't know. Forever.
Forever.
Forever. You want to see Justin Bieber forever? Well, it looks like you will, comparing how many posters you have.
Slow down.
Do you want to see Justin Bieber?
Stop.
Look, there you go. There's Justin Bieber.
No.
I have worried playing the dolphins.
You want to play with dolphins with Justin Bieber?
How much you want to see him? He has a poster that says sweet on his back. It's temporary.
He's a temporary tattoo.
Does that explain Justin Bieber?
Is that why you love him?
No.
He loves you.
Justin Bieber necklace. What does it say? Justin Bieber? Where'd you get it? At his concert.
At his concert.
Was he good? Yeah.
Your elbow is hurting my knee. I'm gonna tell you one time.
I'm gonna tell you one time.
How old are you? 7.
And I was like, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 no.
You're singing it wrong.
How do you sing it?
It's baby, not baby.
Baby,
Baby,
baby, oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 oh, I thought you'd always be mine, mine.
Oh, for you.
I would've done whatever, and I just can't believe we ain't together.
'Cause I love you.
So do you want to meet Justin Bieber?
Yeah.
When do you want to meet Justin Bieber?
Right now.
Right now?
Right now? You want to meet Justin Bieber right now?
Why do you want to meet Justin Bieber?
Okay, say bye to Justin Bieber.
Bye,
Bye, Justin Bieber.